Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time.
Which meridian determines Indian Standard Time? Right answer is option C, 82.5 degree east.
Which two rivers in India flow into the Arabian Sea? Right answer is option B, Narmada and Tapti rivers.
How many bones are found in the human ears? Right answer is option C, 6 bones. The Vice President of India holds which ex officio position? Right answer is option B, Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Where is the Akshardham temple located? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Through which state does the Tropic of Cancer not pass? Correct answer is option B, Odisha.
What is the name of India's third research station in Antarctica? Correct answer is option D, Bharati.
Which of the following is used to induce artificial rain? Right answer is option B, silver iodide. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is option C, the President. Which temple is known as the Black Pagoda? Right answer is option B, Konark Sun Temple. What separates India from Sri Lanka? Correct answer is option D, Park Strait.
Which Indian state leads in mineral production? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand.
What is the chemical name of baking soda? Right answer is option C, sodium bicarbonate. What is the maximum number of ministers, including the Prime Minister, allowed in the Union Council of Ministers? Right answer is option D, 15% of Lok Sabha members. Which dynasty built the Nataraja temple in Tamil Nadu? Right answer is option C, Chola dynasty. What is the study of phenomena at very low temperatures is called? Right answer is option B, cryogenics.
Where is the Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research situated? Correct answer is option B, Dhanbad, Jharkhand.
Hemoglobin is classified under which type of biomolecule? Right answer is option B, protein. Which article outlines the composition and jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India? Right answer is option A, Article 124. Where is the Kailash temple of Ellora located? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. The Statue of Unity is dedicated to whom? Right answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which Indian state is the top producer of tobacco? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. What is the pH level of human blood? Right answer is option C, 7.4. Which of the following duties is levied and collected by the Union government? Right answer is option D, all of the above: custom duty, excise duty, and estate duty. Which temple is situated in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is option A, Shore Temple. Where was India's first white tiger breeding center set up? Right answer is option C, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. What is the highest peak in South India? Right answer is option C, Anamudi. Which organ is primarily impacted by AIDS detected via ELISA test. Right answer is option C, immune system. Which of the following powers does the Supreme Court of India possess? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Judicial review, original and appellate jurisdiction, and appointment of ad hoc judges. Where is Prem Mandir located? Right answer is option C, Mathura. Who handwrote the original Indian constitution? Right answer is option B, Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Where is India's largest botanical garden located? Right answer is option C, Kolkata. What is the speed of sound in a vacuum? Correct answer is option C, 0. The President of India is impeached by which constitutional body? Right answer is option C, Parliament. Where is Gangotri temple located? Correct answer is option B, Uttarkashi. Which organization publishes the World Investment Report? Right answer is option C, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. What is India's global position in milk production? Right answer is option C, first position. Bronze is an alloy made from which two metals? Right answer is option C, copper and tin. Mr. T.S. Thakur served as which numbered Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, 43rd Chief Justice of India. The rock cut temples of Mahabalipuram belong to which dynasty? Correct answer is option D, Pallava dynasty. How many parts are there in the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, 25 parts. The Mahatma Gandhi Setu Bridge is built over the Ganga River in which state? Correct answer is option A, Bihar. What is the chemical name of limestone? Right answer is option A, calcium carbonate. Which commission was appointed by the central government in 1983 to examine union state relations? Right answer is option C, Sarkaria Commission. In which state is the Somnath temple located? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Habeas corpus is associated with which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, fundamental rights. Which is the 25th nuclear power plant established in India? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. Which vitamin group is water soluble? Right answer is option B, vitamin B and vitamin C. Which taxes are levied by the union government but collected and appropriated by the states? Right answer is option D, both B and C. Excise duty on medical and toilet articles and stamp duty. Who established the Sringeri Mutt in Karnataka? Right answer is option B, Adi Shankaracharya. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.